Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to undo a mistake in Streamlabs OBS. So in OBS, it's very easy to undo a mistake. So if I go over to this, I can just go up to Edit and then press Ctrl+Z to undo a mistake. Or it says undo property change on swipe. So I can just undo it by going to this option or pressing the keyboard shortcut key. But on Streamlabs OBS, there is no options or files. So even if I go to like settings, you can't do it. But you can still use the hotkey to do it. So if I go to transform, let's go to fit to screen. If I want to undo what I just did, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. Ctrl+Z. And it's not at the same time. You have to press Control and then Z. And it'll undo your mistake. Then if I go back over to Streamlabs, if I go to Edit to redo a mistake, it says Control+Shift+Z. So I can go back to where I was. Control+Shift+Z. So let's switch back. And let's go to this and hit Control+Shift+Z. I should be able to redo a mistake. Control+Z. And I haven't made any mistakes apparently. So let's transform the scene. And go to Command Center or wherever that says. And Control+Shift+Z. Control+Z, and I'll redo it. So it doesn't seem like Control+Shift+Z works for me. Maybe you can get that to work, but Control+Z will undo a mistake. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.